So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Let's just draw. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And in this video, I'm going to draw in my brand new sketchbook. And this is the craft sketchbook that I just bought online. The first page is kind of messed up, so I think I'm going to use it to decorate the sketchbook. But let's forget about that and let's talk about the color that I'm using in this sketchbook. So here's the color of brush that I bought 3 months ago. It's wax based and I think it's not that bad. I'm going to draw a lot of body anatomy and figure in this sketchbook, so be sure to watch all the video if you have time. So let's start to draw.